The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is the company's latest ultra-high-end flagship. As the successor of the S23 Ultra, the new phone brings a good number of upgrades to the table. While the most notable upgrade is in terms of raw performance thanks to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, there are many other improvements. For example, the battery life of the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra saw a sizable boost. On paper, the new phone has the same battery capacity as the predecessor. However, Samsung has made some good optimizations to the software. Paired with more efficient hardware, it stands as a phone you can drive daily without battery anxiety. As a matter of fact, the battery performance of the Galaxy S24 Ultra is better than the iPhone 15 Pro Max. The battery life of the device is also ahead of the Pixel 8 Pro. Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra makes a big jump over competitors and its predecessor. But that's not even the interesting part. The Galaxy S24 Ultra has outpaced the iPhone 15 Pro Max, which lasted for 10 hours and 20 minutes. Of course, you can't neglect the fact that Apple's flagship has a 4422 mAh battery, which is lower than the one in Samsung's flagship. The Pixel 8 Pro, on the other hand, lasted for 10 hours. Its battery capacity is at 50 mAh, which is higher than the Galaxy S24 Ultra. But the large battery didn't favor Google's flagship, as the efficiency of the Tensor G3 doesn't match the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 inside Samsung's flagship. Considering the advancements in battery optimization technology, do you think we are reaching a point where raw battery capacity is becoming less crucial, and manufacturers are focusing more on refining software-hardware synergy for better energy efficiency in flagship smartphones? Do let us know in the comments section. Hope you liked and subscribed to this channel. I will see you in next one.